Bargain for Android, the motivation behind the app. I always wanted to build a crowdsourced deal finding app because every time I walked past Forever 21, my girlfriend wanted to go in. When I'm in front of a store, why can't I have an app to see if there are any deals inside? Oh, jeans! 10 bucks? Let's get it and bounce in 30 seconds. One can only hope. This is the demo. Before I begin, I would like to describe my setup. I have my Galaxy Nexus connected to my computer via a USB, so there is a bit of a lag. I'll go slow to make sure you understand everything in the demo. So you click the icon to load the app. I manually inputted the launcher and latitude at downtown Montreal, so we get interesting stores like the Apple Store or Urban Outfitters. So let me start by describing a post. That is an image, the description, the price, the store, and the user that posted it. And that's the like button if you want to like a post. So you click the camera icon to make a post. So let's do that now. And that loads a form that you to fill. You fill the description. Let's write Buddha because I want to take a picture of a Buddha on my table. And the price, let's say $50. And tag it with the store, Urban Outfitters. And click let's take a pic. And that opens the camera. So we'll snap a shot. And once I'm done, it will load it to the newsfeed. Before I continue, I want to go scroll down and like a post so I can show it in the user's profile. So let's scroll down and find the headphones and click the like button. Once it's done, it'll give a pop-up saying that it's favorited the post. So next, let's go into the user's profile by clicking the face icon there on the top right. And that loads the user's profile, and you see the profile picture from Facebook and the user's name. Swipe to the left, and we get the user's favorite deals. So you see the headphones that I just favorited. Swipe again, and we'll see the Buddha that I just posted. And that's the end of the demo. The data model. So let's start with explaining how it works. So the Cassandra database is wrapped around by a Virtual REST API. And that has a template of key space, column family, and row key. I have 3 column families in my database: posts, post by user, and post liked by user. That is what my data looks like. They're ordered by timestamp, and those are the relevant data. Store ID from Google Places, image, a base64 encoding of the image, and other relevant information. And when the user makes a post, I package all that and send it to posts slash Google Store ID and post by user slash Facebook user ID. And when the user likes a post, I send it to post liked by user slash the user ID. When getting the post from the database, I get the user's launcher and latitude and query Google Places. And Google Places returns me the 20 most closest stores in a 500-meter radius. I gather the relevant information. Most specifically, I'll get the store ID right there. And I go to Cassandra and ask Cassandra, posts slash store ID, does the store have any posts? And if there are any posts, I load it to the view. And I go post by user. Does that Facebook user have any posts? Load it to the view. Did the user like any posts? Post liked by user. Load it to the view. There is no computation required after retrieving the post because it was already organized when the user made the post. The problem with this design is that deals never expire. I need to put some sort of filtering system in the back end so that I can filter out older posts but physically still have them in the Cassandra database. I had two challenges with Cassandra, setting it up and the data model. Once I set up Virgil around Cassandra and was able to get it working on my remote Linux machine, everything went smoothly and I didn't have to worry about the backend. And the data model, with the help of Patrick's webinar, The Data Model is Dead, Long Live the Data Model, I figured out how to organize my deals and I had an aha moment where everything made sense. And for the pros, once I figured out how the data model worked, I realized how simple and awesome it is. You can actually store information in column names, which is where I stored my timestamps. And when everything was set up, I didn't have to worry about the database. I wore my developer hat and just focused on building the app. Thank you for watching.